All right, y'all, today we're back in Waxahachie, Texas in the retreat at North Grove, and we're going to be taking a look at this beautiful Bloomfield home behind me here. This is their careaway floor plan. It's a 4-bed, 2.5 bath home. It's 2,519 square foot, and it's currently priced at $445,000. Let's go ahead and take a look at it right now. All right, y'all, here we are on the inside of this beautiful careaway floor plan from Bloomfield Homes. And right here we've got nice wide entryway, tall ceilings here throughout the home, really. And then we've got this really nice big 8-foot entry door with the frosted glass, so it's letting in natural light. Really beautiful there. So in this floor plan, it's a split floor plan design. So we've got 3 of the 4 bedrooms up here at the front of the house, and then 2.5 bathrooms up here at the front as well. So here's one of the front bedrooms here. Got 2 windows looking out to the front yard. It's a nice big bedroom. You could use either one of these front bedrooms as an office if you wanted to. All the bedrooms are nice and big. This is a closet here. It's got room side to side, not super deep. And then another bedroom here. It's got 2 windows looking out to the side yard. All the bedrooms in the home have carpet here. We've got another closet there going side to side. Once again, not super deep, but got plenty of hanging space there. These 2 bedrooms, actually the 3 bedrooms, can share this full bath, and then there's also, like I said, another half bath there. But this is the full bath here. You've got a single vanity, you've got a toilet, and then tub shower combo here. It's nice that they've got the ledge up here for everything, and then you've got even more space down there. We'll go across the hallway here to bedroom number 3. This one's also off of the front, so you got 3 windows looking out to the front yard. Really good size. All of these bedrooms had the ceiling fans already installed. Not every builder does that, so that's nice. And then this is a nice deep closet. A lot of good space right there. And then we've got the half bath right here, so company could use this, and anyone else obviously. So we've got vanity right there, the toilet there, and then we've got a linen closet in here as well. Good size linen closet, actually pretty deep. Got LVP flooring throughout the main areas of the home. And once again, like I said, in the bedrooms, you got carpeting. So here we've got the living room space, beautiful tiled fireplace to the ceiling there. And then we've got picture windows looking out to the side yard, and then 3 more picture windows looking out to the back porch and backyard. Got a nice wood burning fireplace right here. It's always my favorite thing about Bloomfield is they have tons of windows to let in lots of natural light. So you could have all these lights off and it'd still be plenty of bright in here. Currently filming this just past 10 a.m. So we've got the morning sun coming in over here on the left side of the home. And the kitchen, you've got a nice big island here with seating available. Probably 4 seats easily. And then on the island, you've got a spot for your trash. And then you've got a nice sink right here. Beautiful Delta faucet. Then we got Frigidaire appliances. We've got a dishwasher on the island there. We've got a refrigerator already here, ready to go. And I love these beautiful light stained cabinets. And then the white countertops with the white backsplash. Really pretty combo there. Then you've got your microwave mounted above your electric oven and range. And this is vented out, so that's nice. So you're not gonna have just a recirculating fan on your microwave, just recirculating the air here. You're actually gonna have it vented outside, which is perfect. We'll spin around right here and take a look at the spot for a nice dining room table. And then we've got 2 windows looking out to the backyard. We've got a bench seat right here. And then a door going to the back porch with the shade in the glass there that you can control. So this being a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath house, 2,500 square foot, check out this pantry. You are not gonna have any trouble getting all your groceries all neatly stored away in here. This is super deep, got tons of shelving, and I think it's bigger than some pantries I've seen in 3,500 square foot homes. So that's nice for sure. All right, so as I talked about, the floor plan here is completely split. So all 3 bedrooms are up front, and then the master's tucked back here in the back. Got a nice big laundry room right here. Spot for full-size washer and dryer. And then if you wanted to put like a freezer over here, I think you could fit that. Or definitely a fridge. You could put a fridge right here. You got a plug right there on the wall. So you've got a nice little mudroom spot, and then a door that goes into the master closet for convenience there. Here we are at the 2-car garage. It's got the hot water heater in here, breaker panel, and then the sprinkler system. All right, heading into the master bedroom. This is a really nice big master here. 3 windows looking out to the backyard there. You got another bench seat along that, and then 2 windows out to the side. Nice tall ceilings, great lighting. Once again, carpeting in here. And then heading into the master bathroom, we've got the tub right here, and then a walk-in shower with a bench seat there. Nice. And then we've got split vanities right here on either side. So really good storage space on either side there. Got a nice big frosted window letting in more natural light. Even more storage space here in a linen closet. And then behind this door here, we've got the toilet. And plenty of space if you wanted to put cabinetry above there too for more storage. And then double doors here to the master closet, which is a really good size. You've got the door going to the laundry room, hanging space right there. Got all your data cables and everything ready to go right here. And then additional hanging space throughout the rest of this closet here. So this home is a part of the North Grove neighborhood. It does have a PID tax that goes along with it. It's a public improvement district tax, and the HOA is $500 annually here at the retreat at North Grove. All right, so let's take a look at the backyard here. Got a nice big covered patio already going with this caraway floor plan. It's springtime here, so we've got all the green grass and trees. Got a couple of maple trees back here, it looks like. And then this is Bermuda grass. Pretty standard here. I've got a little bit of side yard right here. This is a pretty decent size backyard here. It's not one of those with little cookie cutter yards. You have no space at all. And then you've got your HVAC condenser back here on the side as well. Got gutters throughout the whole home too, which is great. This home is ready to go. All right, y'all, I hope you enjoyed the tour of this beautiful caraway floor plan by Bloomfield Homes. Once again, we're in the retreat at North Grove, so it's a segment of the master plan community in North Grove. And talked about the HOA being $500 annually. There is also a PID tax. I don't know that one right off the top of my head, but I do know that that is part of what you pay here in your taxes. But this is a beautiful 4-bed, 2.5 bath home, just over 2,500 square foot. This is, once again, their caraway floor plan. And I just think it's beautiful. We've got tons of natural light coming in here, and a really nice sized backyard too. Got a 2-car garage. All of the rooms feel nice and spacious. And then even this nice big living room, dining room, and kitchen space all in one is really, really nice. Once again, we talked about the split floor plan. So we got 3 bedrooms and 1.5 bathrooms up front. And then we've got the master tucked away in the back of the home there as well, with the full master bath. And then a laundry room connecting to the master closet as well. So really nice flexible floor plan here. Currently priced at $445,000. It's been price reduced by about $40,000, I believe. So it's done, ready to move in, turnkey. They're also offering, it looked like financing rate of about 3.99, or no, I think it's 4.99% using their preferred lender. Now, those things do change, so I don't always mention them, but they're definitely incentivizing these homes here in Waxahachie. And so if you got any questions about it, definitely reach out to me. I do not work for the builder, but I am a local DFW area realtor, and I can help represent you. So I want to appreciate Indy for letting me come film this for you all. Definitely appreciate her letting me come check it out with you all. Thank you so much for watching each and every week. So many of you have been reaching out and telling me your plans for the rest of 2026 and beyond. It's been great meeting you in person and also talking with you over Zoom or over the phone and just discussing what you've got coming up. So definitely appreciate y'all reaching out, and I will see you all next week. Y'all take care.